Here are some important information about Colt's Python pistol. Name: Colt Python. Designer: Colt's Manufacturing Company. Country of origin: United States. Year designed: 1955. Year first produced: 1955. Discontinued: 2005. Reintroduced: 2020. Type: double action revolver. Intended use: law enforcement and civilian market. Nickname: the Cadillac of revolvers. Manufacturer: Colt's Manufacturing Company. Production location: Hartford, Connecticut, USA. Barrel lengths available: 2.5, 3 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches. Most popular barrel: 6 inches. Frame type: I-frame. Python frame. Action: single double action.
Magnum.
Caliber: .357 Magnum. Also .38 special. Cylinder capacity: 6 rounds. Muzzle velocity: approximately 1,450 feet per second. Maximum effective range: approximately 50 to 75 meters. Sights: original adjustable rear, fixed front. Sights: modern fiber optic front, adjustable rear. Weight: 6. Barrel: approximately 46 ounces, 1.3 kilograms. Length: 6 inches, 11.5 in, 292 millimeters. Width: approximately 1.5 in, 38 millimeters. Height: approximately 5.5 in, 140 millimeters. Barrel twist: 114. Right hand twist. Grip material: original walnut with Colt medallion. Grip material: modern walnut. Finish options: royal blue, blue, nickel, stainless steel. Ventilated rib: yes. Ejector rod shroud: yes. Trigger: smooth, wide, hand fitted. Lock up: tight with minimal play. Accuracy: exceptionally high. Used by some U.S. law enforcement. 1960s 1980s wars. Used in private use in Vietnam and Iraq. Not standard issue. Popular in competitions: yes. Especially target shooting. Customization friendly: yes. Grips, sights, finish. Collectability: very high, especially pre-2005 models. Collector value: $4,000 minus $15,000 plus. Modern frame material: enhanced stainless steel alloy. Modern internal design: improved trigger and durability. Reintroduction. Barrel sizes: 4.25 and 6 inches 2020, 3 inches 2022. Common users: collectors, sport shooters, enthusiasts. Famous users: Elvis Presley, Jerry Michalik. Media appearances: The Walking Dead, Magnum Force, Taxi Driver. Video games: Call of Duty, GTA, Resident Evil. Known for precision, smooth trigger, build quality. Legacy: one of the most iconic revolvers in firearm history.